Hello, in this video I will be demonstrating how to create and edit a text table in Tableau. You'll notice here that at this point I've already imported and linked the data. The first thing we need to do is select sheet 1, which is located here at the bottom. Once this sheet is selected, we are going to drag the dimension we are using to the row shelf. After doing this, we need to drag measure names to filters and ensure that only the data we need is selected. Next, we need to drag measure names to the column shelf. Moving forward, we are going to drag measure values to the text mark. From here, you will see that all of the data you left selected when filtering measure names is in this measure values box. For this visual to be more easily understood, I am going to switch each of these values to be displayed as the average by clicking the down arrow in each, hovering measure sum, and then selecting average. This would also be the time to reorder the values if you wish, which can be done by dragging them to your desired place. The next thing I'm going to demonstrate is changing the color to make the table easier to interpret. To do this, drag measure values over the color mark. Then you'll see that all the values change to different shades of the same color. To make this even easier to interpret, click Color in the marks box and then select Edit Colors. Next, you'll want to pick a color palette that has more variations like red-blue diverging. From here, I'm going to select Stepped Color and leave it at the default of 5 steps. We can now quickly interpret the table as we can see that the lower scores are red shades and the higher scores are blue shades. To add the gender names, I'm going to right-click on Gender ID, click Aliases, and type under Value Alias. To finish off this table, I'm going to add titles that explain what the table is demonstrating. First, I'm going to double-click where it says the sheet number and then type the title and click OK. And lastly, I'm going to right-click on the tab on the bottom, click Rename, and then type in my sheet title again. That concludes in creating and editing a text table in Tableau. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.